guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Emily with me and I'm going to be doing her makeup today. I did her makeup last week. She requested a sunset look, so I will post a picture up around the screen somewhere so you guys can see what that looks like. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I did post some photos on there. So if you're not following me, you guys can see the picture. And today, I'm not sure what we're gonna really do. I'm just kind of going with the flow. Might do like a really nice like brown smoky eye. I don't know, she has a shirt over there that I'm going to kind of make something match with it. And yeah, I'm going to be doing her makeup today. I did one of these 4 or 5 years ago on my channel, and you know, it just kind of inspired me to do it again 4 or 5 years later. Now I feel like I've improved and I wanted to do, you know, another doing my best friend's makeup. So if you guys want to watch me do Emily's makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. Oh yes, close those eyes, girl. I just did like, no, keep them closed, okay? I just did like a gold eye with like browns and a little bit of black in the outer corner. Just something super like, I say natural.
Supernatural.
I never watched that show, but she loved it. I had it nice and dark in the outer corners, but gold on the lid, so this would kind of match any outfit that you would wear, with a nice nude lip, of course, nice, gorgeous highlight, and all that good stuff. So this is the look that I came up with. Did you love it when you looked in the mirror?
Yes. Can I open my eyes now?
Yes, you can open your eyes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do her makeup, and if you want to see me do this again in the future, then just let me know by liking this video or commenting down below, or giving suggestions for a certain makeup look that you guys would like to see. Maybe different colors, maybe a inspired look that you could send me through Instagram. Whatever you guys want to see, let me know. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Gucci!